Mastering tag questions, your key to English conversation. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English language. Today, we're going to learn all about tag questions, a powerful tool that you can use to make your English conversations more engaging and interactive. Tag questions are a special type of question that we attach to the end of a statement. These are small questions that allow us to confirm information, check understanding, or ask for agreement. For instance, in the sentence, "You're learning English, aren't you? Aren't you?" is a tag question. The basic structure of a tag question includes a statement followed by a comma, the auxiliary verb or the verb, to be, from the statement, and the subject in pronoun form. For example, in "She is a student, isn't she? Isn't she?" is the tag question. Note, if the statement is positive, the tag question will be negative, and vice versa. This is called the rule of opposites. Let's take a look at some examples. Remember, the rule of opposites applies here. 1. You've met him before, haven't you? A positive statement followed by a negative tag. 2. She isn't coming to the party, is she? A negative statement followed by a positive tag. 3. We're friends, aren't we? A positive statement followed by a negative tag. Tag questions can also include modal verbs such as can, could, will, would, must, should, etc. For example, 1. She can play the piano, can't she? 2. They wouldn't mind, would they? One of the main uses of tag questions is to ask for clarification. When you're unsure or you want to confirm what you've heard or understood, you can use a tag question. For instance, you said 5 p.m., didn't you? That's all for today. Tag questions are not only interesting but also a very practical part of English conversation. So, practice them, use them, and see how your English communication flourishes. We hope this video was useful, and remember, the key to mastering any language is practice. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!